Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube video.
We're making funnel cakes. These are directions on how to make them. All right, let's get started, guys. All right.
Okay.
We need 1/2 cups of flour.
Yeah.
Flour.
1 cup. One.
1/2 cup flour. That's one. Cool, then you gotta get Alright. 1 tablespoon baking powder.
That's 1/4.
Baking powder.
Oh.
This is for dry funnel cake.
And
1/4 tablespoon of salt.
Like 4 tablespoons. 1/4.
1/4 cup of powdered sugar.
You gonna do this 1/4 cup, mommy?
It's 1/4 cup?
Yes.
Okay. My bad.
Okay. And mix it.
Alright, now whisk drying together a medium low that has a nice powdering sprout. Then you mix it.
Okay, so now it's wet.
What is wet?
This is right. So one
1/2 cup dairy-free milk. 1/2 cup dairy-free milk. All right.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, you gotta get one full one. Alright. Alright guys, that's pretty good.
Okay. Now we need
1/2 to fill it in. Just like it says. Alright. Make sure you put it over it, so if you put it like this, it's gonna fall. Just in case you put a little bit too much. Alright guys, that's
now
pretty good.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Alright. 1 teaspoon, guys. Alright.
Now we
Pinch of cinnamon. Here, pinch it.
You said a pinch, right?
A pinch, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Cinnamon.
That's a pinch. Big pinch, little pinch.
That was a pinch.
And then, where do you put the oil?
And then we need.
The oil goes in the pan.
Oh, okay. Then mix it. You can mix it with some.
And then we mix it.
Yay.
Alright, this is gonna come out really good.
Okay.
Mira, tu hija en el refrigerador.
Stop.
We mix it all together, mommy.
What does the instructions say?
Whisk, dry. Wait.
Turn the page.
In a separate. Okay. Whatever. You hungry? You're not? Are you hungry?
Dump the wet ingredients in.
Oh
whisk
my god.
What? So dump it in here.
Pump the wet ingredients and
Dump it
whisk
in here, right?
until the lumps are
Mommy?
out.
Dump the
Set-
wet ingredients and
Set
whisk
alone
until
while
the...
heating up the oil.
So put it in here, mommy?
Yes, put it in there. Let's go. You want this? Alright.
Are you
Sorry
sure?
guys,
Is this gonna fall out like of the thing?
Mm-mm.
Hold on, brother.
I'm just saying this.
Hold on, brother. Hold on.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on.
How much are you supposed to pour in there?
It doesn't say.
Yeah, I didn't say it.
Oh, 2 inches deep.
Okay.
You got something for that?
Just pour it in there. Probably right below those 2 nuts.
Alright.
That's good. That should be good.
Whoa. Whoa, it's a lot of oil.
Medium heat. So just put it on the 6.
Alright.
And you're going to pour the batter into this. We're going to use one of these baggies. So just pour it in there.
Guys, this looks pretty good on
Mira
me.
the peaches on herself.
Even though it's not cooked. The dough looks good.
Liquid dough.
I was so upset. But then I was like, it's okay. It's going to the elephant.
Right?
And
Yep.
yeah. So she's gonna wiggle it all on there. Okay, Mama, I think that's good. You like it? And I had these bags from Cupcakes when I did Aria's cupcakes for her birthday. It was a pack of like 10, but you can use a Ziploc. It doesn't have to be, you know.
But it's a lot of oil.
Cause yeah, you gotta use a lot of oil. That's the only thing.
I'm scared to flip it now.
Yeah, I feel like it's gonna break.
No, like oil came out whenever I flipped it.
Guys, be careful with fire or
No, look.
anything
Come on.
like that burns.
Definitely.
It will hurt
The
you.
burns.
Ask your parents to help you.
Yeah. If you're kids, you need to ask your parent for help.
Don't do it by yourself.
Yeah. Because if oil can cause 3rd-degree burns.
Only you can prevent forest fires.
Alright.
Here, Mama.
Come and go. Good.
So basically you're going to keep it in there until it's like a light brown.
Crispy, pretty much.
Yeah, crispy light brown color.
Finally, I found one. It's not that cute, pero es blanca. And they have more sizes.
Are you sure it's was on those short?
No.
Okay.
No. I can breathe.
They're comfortable. I just wouldn't spend $20 on shorts. Alright, Mama, let me see. Try to flip it again.
Oh, it's not PJs.
I kind of wish I had a deep fryer, but
Coming out.
we can do it.
Good.
Pull it down like that.
Ay, me pararon la cabeza.
The garlic.
Oh, it's from that.
Oh, wait, your book. Your book is about to make the thing. Yeah, looks like a funnel cake. It's getting hard. I can feel it with the
Let me see. Let me flip it again.
spatula.
Is it good?
And you guys, I really do prefer doing this part because it can be dangerous. It really could be.
It's getting crispy. Getting brownish, at least.
Wait, is this? That's weird. No me lo quitó.
Holding it
I'm reading it
Down
right. It
spatula.
doesn't say up to. It says additional
Get
6% off. Right?
crispy.
Is there a code though?
No.
Are you sure? Because sometimes it's not on there, but it's on the website.
Well, maybe see if I have the email. Yes, I'm gonna have to take something. Do you have something for the?
Alex is getting crispy.
¿Cuánto me tomó dos?
Mira cuántos miligramos
Squeeze it
son.
down
No sé.
a little bit.
Oh, 500.
So those. I usually take two.
Getting.
I'll open it.
You want to flip it over, mommy?
Let me see.
That piece.
Ow! See, I burned myself just now. Alright, guys, it's pretty much done.
It's crispy brown. Pretty much.
And then we're just gonna put it on this
A
napkin.
napkin over there.
Little piece came off. Alright,
And this.
I'll show you. Get the pan, baby. Okay. Alright, so try to keep it,
In a circle.
yeah, in a circle.
What?
What is it again this one? Chopstick fork. Didn't quite.
And cash back for the things
Mommy, you want me to take these, like, the little pieces out so they don't burn?
I don't want to do
The
it.
little pieces might burn.
You got your cup? Did you give me a cup?
Are you gonna get the cash back for daycare?
Also, it's like a circle, but you still do certain lines.
Nothing's in there, huh? No, a little bit.
Look at the first one we did.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Because you gotta put that baking powder on it. I mean baking sugar.
Guys, you guys have to floss on that subscribe button, guys. Make it squeaky clean. Also, like this video if you want more cooking videos. Yeah, comment down below if you have any questions. Yeah, it's just wait until this gets like that one.
Crispy. I like saying right here.
Good girl.
La mi hija como se fuera perro.
Who's that? Hi.
They're doing their promotion all wrong.
So it's already it's already 60% off basically.
Yeah.
I thought it was too good to be true.
But it's like false advertising though, because when you go to the website, it says St. Patty's Day sale.
See,
and
getting
everybody said
crispy.
Up to 60% off. Sell items.
Oh, you should put
See,
on
like
here.
right there. See, it says up to 60% off. But here, see, that's how they're getting you. It says even here, look, even on the comments.
Your promotion is on here.
Guys, you have to put pressure on it so the oil can get on
All
Yeah.
right, guys, let's try it out. We're gonna put some powdered sugar on top.
No, okay.
Who is it?
Not bad.
Who is it? Oh, am I the tester? Mmm.
It's good. I feel like it's a, I don't know. I haven't had funnel cakes that many times. Is it supposed to be that crunchy?
Yeah, that's supposed to be like squishy.
It's good.
It's supposed to be fluffy,
Uh-huh.
not crunchy, but I think I prefer it crunchy.
Crunchy?
Yeah.
Haha.
Better. I think it's better than the rodeo and cheaper.
Oh yeah, that's true. So we did. Let's try to keep them in there a little less then. Maybe
Now hold it.
you can.
It's stable,
You just
right?
gotta make sure it's straight. Yeah. Just make sure you're like this one. Probably should take it out now, Evelyn. Look. Yeah, huh?
Mm-hmm. Try that. Mm-hmm.
All right. You want to do the next one?
Man, this is my dessert.
What you think? Yeah.
You want a piece?
What you think, mamas?
Good?
Is it good?
It's not good? No.
Alrighty.
Alright, come here.
What do you think, Alex?
Pretty good.
Delicious.
Mm-hmm. Come here.
Chabela?
Take a picture.
Delicious.
10 out of 10.
Alrighty. How y'all want to close out the video?
Alright. So it's pretty good, guys. I think the wet one would be even better. Squishier. Easier to eat. The dry one, if you like stuff crunchy, I think it'll be better for you. Subscribe down below. Leave a like. Comment down what you think about how'd you like it, and see what we can do better in the next video. Bye.
Comment, like, and subscribe.